Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how we can make a beautiful bracelet, a teddy bear holding a head, holding a heart in his hand. So let's start. We will use for the body and the face and legs the light brown yarn. First of all we will make 6 single crochet into a magic ring. Here I am using cotton yarn and 1 mm crochet hook. So let's start. We will make 6 single crochet onto magic ring. Into our second round we will make 2 single crochet into each stitch, and at the end of this round we will have 12 single crochet in total. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Into our third round we will make 1 single crochet and increase into the next stitch, and at the end of this round we will have 18 single crochet in total. We have make 6 single crochet, now 7 8 9 and now 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. Now we will make the ears. After making a slip stitch we will make 2 single crochet into the same stitch, 2 double crochet and chain 1, and again we will make 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Now we will make 4 slip stitch, we will make 3 slip stitch and repeat this pattern. Now we will make 2 double crochet, 1 2 chain 1 and 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Then we will make 2 slip stitch, and first turn off we will make two patches like this. After making 2 parts we will make tiny heart. For this purpose we will make a magic and chain 2, then 2 double crochet, 2 half crochet, half double crochet, chain 1, again 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and slip stitch. Now we will pull the yarn, make a chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now we will join the both pieces. First of all, we'll make a knot with both two loops. And cut the yarn. Now we will join the both pieces of heart and sew them with the very thin thread. Also make a tight loop in the center part for shaping the head. Shaping the heart like this. Then we will hide the loop. And cut the yarn. We will make the muzzle with 6 single crochet into magical circle. Now we will sew the muzzle at the face. With white yarn. Now we will embroider the nose and small line over the muzzle. First of all, make a V. Now fill it with the black yarn. After making the nose, we will make the smile line. Now we will insert bead under the ears for presenting the eyes. We will sew the both eyes. We will embroider the eyebrows. We will embroider the both cheeks with the pink yarn. Now we will sew the both parts with a thin thread on one loop of yarn. We will sew them stitch by stitch. We will also fill the face slightly with a very little amount of polyfiber or other filling. Now we will make the legs. For the legs, make a magic circle and chain 3, then yarn over for 9 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now pull up the loop and chain 1 and make a slip stitch and leave a loop to sew. We will make 2 legs. If you feel that you don't have small beads or these are not looking good, you can embroider the eyes too in this way. We will use bead stitch for eyes. For the belt, make a chain of 20 centimeter long and then make one single crochet. Make one double crochet in each stitch into 20 centimeter long belt. First of all, we will make chain of 20 centimeter long. After making the chain, make 3 single crochet, chain 3, and make 1 double crochet in each stitch till the end of the chain, which is 20 centimeter long. In this way, now make a slip stitch into very first stitch and make a single crochet around the belt. Make 3 single crochet into very first chain 3 where we have starting our belt. Continue crocheting 1 single crochet around the belt. Now again make 3 single crochet into the gap of belt chain where was chain 3 and where was we have starting our work with single crochet. Now make 2 slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn, hide the loop under the belt. Make a knot with both 2 loops of the legs like this and cut it. Now fold the belt and at the center part glue the both legs. You can also sew the both legs. Place the heart at the center of both legs. Now fix the head. Add a button at one side. Now it is ready to wear. I hope you will like the video. If you like this video, please keep subscribing and keep supporting. We will meet in next video with new idea. Take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz and